First and foremost, thank you for being here. It is amazing to see the families, the students, the mentors, everyone that makes this program amazing. To the students, you are the reason why this program is what it is today.
Being here these last 7 weeks made me being a second family. Everyone is so positive, supportive, and helps you learn from their previous mistakes so you have a better future.
I'm so thankful for everyone that made this program possible. And to my fellow summer youth, I had the best time with all of you. And whatever your future takes you, I hope all of you get most of what you want and everything you need.
I am so happy that they get to experience the same thing, learn quite a few new things for themselves, challenge themselves. I learned so much from the program when I was part of it, and I thank my success to all the people who helped back then, and I am so happy that I've come full circle and I'm able to do this for them.
Currently 5 years in now.
What's that feeling like for you to be here now?
It's very fulfilling. I mean, I love to see all the kids come by, and you know, I was I was in their shoes. You know, coming up, I didn't know what was out there, and it really transformed me. You know, I became a professional. I got educated. I got my 4-year degree. I was motivated by a lot of the people you see here. You know, holding the summer youth together. It's transformed my life.
Jocelyn Mora.